friends, in THS video we are going to learn parts of the body. HEAD head. FOREHEAD forehead. EYEBROWE eyebrow. EYES eyes. EARS ears. MOUTH mouth. CHEEK cheek. NOSE nose. TEETH teeth. NECK neck. SHOULDER shoulder. CHEST chest. ARM arm. ELBOW elbow. HANDS hands. FINGERS fingers. STOMACH stomach. WAIST waist. KNEE knee. LEGS legs.